Welcome to Vel Tech Industries, where innovation meets craftsmanship. At Vel Tech, quality isn't just a promise, it's a commitment we uphold in every product we deliver. We specialize in advanced solutions for construction with a wide range of products, including automatic concrete, interlock brick-making machines, fly ash brick-making machines with batching plants, automatic 10 HP fully automatic concrete, hollow brick machines, ABM 6S interlocking brick-making machines, and honeycomb square Coir Pith block-making machines. Our machines are built to last, combining durability and reliability to ensure peak performance under any conditions. Our lineup also features semi-automatic vertical hydraulic brick making machines, hydraulic semi-automatic brick making machines, hydraulic press machines, and automatic electric concrete block making machines. Each machine undergoes rigorous testing to meet industry standards and exceed customer expectations. Enhance your efficiency with our Paver block making machines, stationary pan mixer machines, and Coir Pith block making machines. Vel Tech's reputation for excellence stems from our focus on precision engineering and customer satisfaction. For fly ash bricks, we offer semi-automatic solid fly ash brick machines, three-phase semi-automatic machines, and fully automatic fly ash brick making machines. At Vel Tech, we combine innovation, precision, and reliability to meet your construction needs.